etceteras. Don't act like we're friends with friends, like two guys who need enemas. Someone stole my bike, so I stole someone's tricycle. It's a pain to ride, but I look quite adorable. This is how the world looks through that eye hole in the door. Feel like I'm in a fishbowl, maybe that is the metaphor. You rhyme just like a child. Welcome to charm school, your manners are vile. Pay attention, cause this will be on the final. It's stuff you should've learned in high school. Bitch, don't mumble. Hold up, fix that shirt. Iron it, it's rumpled. Auto tunes, bullshit. Don't rap with your mouth full.
Okay,
Sound it out.
oh,
Take out the marbles. Thumbs down. Smells like something's cooking, someone's barbecuing salmon. This is not the stage I wanted to play on Burning Man. Rhymes so fire, they got my brain damaged. Is it still cool to do the ice bucket challenge? I'm so bleeping sick of censorship in Photoshop.
That's easy for you to say. When will the